My horror game, Sussy Schoolgrounds, is already perfect, as you can tell. But today, I'm going to make it even better by adding absolutely lethal weapons to the game that you can use to fight back against Sussy Wussy. My friend sent me this list of 5 deadly weapons, with each one getting more and more intense. And in the next 3 hours, I have to create all of them. This is a big mistake. Enjoy the video and consider subscribing if you like it. As soon as I press this button, the challenge will officially begin. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay. So here is how this is going to work. These will get more and more insane as we go on. So it's time to see what our first weapon is. Okay, shoots banana. So a banana gun. If Sussy steps on a banana, he gets stunned. And if you get stunned, this is what will happen to you. Whoa. Like when you trip on like a banana peel. 3, activate, render, rendering. Just doing some modeling, doing all this modeling. And there we go. I finished modeling my banana gun. So now we need to make a projectile, and the projectile will spawn in the game when you shoot. All right, let's quickly 3D model a banana peel. $4? Who do you think I am? You have to be really unskilled to like pay $4 for a banana peel low poly model. That would be really embarrassing. Alright, so this is our banana projectile. Now that we have these bananas kind of spawning in, stunned equals true, and you invoke unstun after 5 seconds. So basically you die. I'll walk up to the stupid banana peel, and I get stunned. Then after 5 seconds, I'm back. Try jump scaring me now, loser. And with that, our first weapon is complete. Next, I'm curious to see what we have. Chalkboard eraser. Slam it on a surface and it creates a cloud of dust. And if Sussy walks into the dust, he's temporarily blinded. Let's just really quickly model a chalkboard eraser. And there we go. Just finished up my blackboard eraser. Now let's just do some coding. There we go. That wasn't too bad. Now, we just need to make a explosion of chalk dust. So I'm gonna use my pro art skills. And let's make a chalk explosion. Beautiful. Now let's bring this dust cloud into the game. Okay, there we go. Dust cloud. So what you wanna do now is my blackboard eraser script. Let's get the dust cloud. Now in theory, this should maybe work. Oh, yeah. Now, in theory, when you slam your eraser on the floor, it should create a dust cloud now. Wait, nothing changed. Now, it should work. There we go. Last thing, to make the dust cloud different from the banana peel, it's a one-time use, but the dust cloud is never deleted, but he only gets stunned for a tiny bit. That is the eraser weapon. So it is time to see what the next weapon we have to create is. I'm kind of picking up on a pattern here. It seems like all of these weapons are like school related. So we had like the banana, which is like, you know, something you bring to school for lunch. You have like the chalkboard eraser. So I don't know, maybe next would just be like paper or something, like a paper trap. I don't know, just something like silly and like school related, I think. Take back what I said, I guess. Military grade assault rifle is our next weapon. I want to make a projectile that when it hits Sussy Wussy, he just explodes. I just want to make Sussy Wussy explode. I'm sick and tired of this stupid little monkey bear thing. He doesn't even look like a monkey. He's a stupid purple teddy bear. It's time we get rid of him for good. We'll turn Sussy Explode into a prefab. Because basically, I want to make all of his limbs add random force to all of his limbs so that when you shoot him, he explodes. So now, when Sussy Wussy collides with a bullet, he's just going to be completely ripped apart. Just destroyed. Murdered, basically. But we need to make a gun so that we can actually destroy him. Goodbye, Sussy Wussy. Screw you, loser. Get ratioed. With that, our pew pew weapon is complete. Absolutely beautiful death animation right here. Now I'm just absolutely terrified for what's to come next. 3, 2, please don't be bad. 1. Oh, it's a normal one again. Okay. Slam on ground to create sticky goo. Okay, that slows you and Sussy. It's basically the same as a banana peel. Believe it or not, I can use the eraser script. So using our professional art skills, let's just make a peanut butter and jelly puddle. Just a puddle of sticky goo on the floor, I guess. Truly beautiful. Now, when you click on the floor, it should slam the peanut butter onto the floor and create jelly. Oh, it actually works. So if the tag is equal to jelly, I'll say speed equals slow speed. It could screw us over. Oh, it works. It slows us down. Our 4th weapon is complete. You can slow down Sussy Wussy. Let's move on to the 5th and final weapon. Whatever this last weapon is will pretty much decide if we finish this challenge. Please be something normal. Something nice and small. Something just really easy to make. Please, just something chill and small. We don't have time for this. I hate my life. It's okay though. They don't call me the god of coding for nothing. A lot of people call me that, by the way. Like, starting off pretty easily, we can download a nuke, I feel like. A nuclear... Oh, wait, there's no nuke model. Oh no, nuke model. 13, okay. $13 for a cylinder is kind of crazy. I'm not gonna lie. This is like a Unity capsule, bro. Okay. Big Mom... I don't know why this nuke says Big Mommy on it, but we're a little desperate at this point, so... So, now there should be a nuke in the game, and when you hover over the nuke, it will say, press E to launch. For object, O in object. Now hear me out on this one, guys. Now, in theory, when you explode the nuke, every single object will just fly across the screen. This is gonna be the ultimate true ending to Sussy School Grounds. Just ending the world. I'm scared this may destroy my entire computer. Every object I'm adding to this list will fly. Are you guys ready for this? I'm scared. When I activate the nuke, the entire map is going to explode. I don't know what's gonna happen to my computer. I don't know what's gonna happen to the live stream. I may break Sussy School Grounds permanently. All right, 3, 2, 1. It worked. I guess this is one way to beat a horror game.